excess flux off of the pipe. You don't want the flux all over the pipe and all over the fitting, because that solder will follow the flux and make a nice messy solder joint if you have flux everywhere. I always put a lot of flux on, but I always wipe the excess off of the fitting and pipe itself, so that I get a nice, neat bead around the pipe. And as it gets hot, pull the flame away. When we work with the other side, that'll give us a chance to play with the pipe to move it around to where we want to. Now let's get back to the other side. Now we'll let that cool down, and then we'll add another piece and take a copper hook and pull it up in place. Now we extended the hot over, and we're going to offset it right here. But first, we're going to get a copper hook.